Hey everyone, West Coast Lock Car here. It's part 3 of the Indy car scratch build. So what we're gonna do today, I already started. We're gonna put the body all together, get it all ready for paint. And we're gonna test fit it on the chassis. And what else are we gonna do? Do some other things and stuff. I want to try to bring that front ride height down. As you can see there, it's a little high. See it better on the black there. So want to try to figure out something with a shoe. But yeah, we'll just put this together. Let's clean up all the crap on from the sprue. We're almost there though. Very thin bead on the side here. Just to give it that little extra. And a few lines on this platform here. Boom. And just like that. This tube of glue I'm using wants to ooze out all the time, so just put the lid on every time so it doesn't dry out. And then I'll take our handy dandy little toothpick. Smooth out some of this glue that's oozing out, just so it gives a better line. Hold this together a little bit here. This is all going to be basically one color, except for the tops here. It goes a little white, but it's going to be like a I'd say like a dresser blue, old player cigarette color. So what else we got? A little side wing action here and stabilizer. It's gonna look pretty cool. clean this up real good. I guess that fits on like that. I always find it's a little easier to put the small pieces together off the car and then attach them all together. Call me crazy though. Just like that. Looks pretty cool. I'll put together the other side and then I'll put them on and see what it looks like. Well, here we are. We got the side paneling on and the side arrows. So that's all on. Pretty nice. Can't do the front nose or the rear wing until it's mounted on the body, and then I gotta figure out like quick releases and stuff like that if I want to have it all come off. But look at that. Starting to look like a freaking race car now, huh? Getting there. Now I'm gonna do some bracketing in under here so we can put some screws and suck this body down. Definitely getting there.